My name is Bob Lanzillo. I've been working with All Metals for about a year now, but my company has been working with All Metals for 40 years, and my company's Zonk Group. The first thing I noticed when I started coming in here and bringing customers is that everybody working here has a smile. Everybody wants to be here, and they have an enjoyment about it, and it looks like they love their job. So it's like when you bring a customer in and they can see that on the floor, it makes the sale so much easier. A lot of the small stuff I didn't know about, but I always knew that he always considered, the Thrill Kills as very close friends because of the business that they've always had together and how they've always treated each other with respect. And it's just been above boards. Even we split Maverick tickets with the Thrill Kills. So I've gotten to grow up with them that way too. Some of my memories when I was young was them throwing their Christmas party, and we would come, even though it was mostly adults, they always had Santa and they always had a gift for every kid that was coming. And I know we always looked forward to it. We had to dress up because it was sometimes at the nicer places, but other than that, it was really good memories. It was one of my last opportunities to jump in the family business, and I knew it was going to be a business that could keep going forward and be viable. And I had to, jump in the water with both feet and just do it, and just learning and stuff. And yeah, I don't know if there's a specific thing that made me want to do it, but it just feels right when I'm here for sure. I just want to congratulate the Throw Kills on what they've accomplished and what they've built. And the future looks bright, and it just can only get better from here.